Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today, the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider the price closed on Friday and then where it closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move today. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at the 22-cent mark. Why is 22 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 22 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. What happens if the price pulls back? So I'm not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, pulls back and then behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress forward, as 22 cents. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward, especially if you're watching level 2s today, but it's all about the 32-cent mark. Not once, but actually twice today. The bulls did try to break up through that level, but you can see the bears smacked it down there and also smacked it down over here. And if you go back to the history of the chart, you can see also acted as a level of resistance there. Not saying 32 cents can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle around that area today, but the price is very close to it. So I'm assuming there's no gap downs or anything. The bulls looking like they'll be ready to do battle with it right out of the gates. But very nice way to open up the week. Still 4 days left, so we'll see how it continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.